Good morning, hockey fans! It's a lovely Sunday and welcome to the 8th Annual Give Blood Play Hockey Charity Inline Tournament. It's our 8th year and we are committed now more than ever in our fight against cancer. Since the very first tournament in 2007, we've raised over $363,000 for Children's Hospital of Orange County. And for the 2014 tournament, Give Blood Play Hockey will be pledging all funds for clinical trials and research into the genomics of cancer and blood disorders, which promises to position CHOP at the forefront of personalized medicine and promises a future of individualized, tailored treatment for chronic and life-threatening illnesses that affect children, adolescents, and their families. With over 100 teams, over 1,400 players, this year's event is our biggest and best yet. Once again, welcome to the 8th Annual Give Blood Play Hockey Charity Inline Tournament.